These are the elevators at the West Parking Garage at University of Tampa, in Tampa, Florida. We've got some Otis Series 4s, vandal resistant buttons. Indicator's completely burned out. You can get a good view of downtown Tampa and the UT campus from here. So let's go back down. Let's go to 1. Here's your emergency phone, ADA compliant, and you got a stainless steel cab. £3,500 capacity. Let's ride the other elevator. Let's go to 6. The indicator on this one does work. Whoa. The indicator. What was that? It just glitched. Seems like the indicator is doing fine now, but glitched for a second there. Here's your inspection certificate. Let's see if it does it again. Nope. Looks good to me. So, there it goes, and that'll be it.